Sega is partnering up with Lego to bring a new set of your favorite console. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming updates. Lego and Sega have announced a new set coming next month that'll hit you right in the nostalgia, the Lego Sega Genesis Console. The $40 model can be described as a slightly scaled-down version of the gaming system, with the option to give it either the Genesis branding, as it was known in North America, or Mega Drive, as it was released in Japan and other regions. You can get your hands on the Lego Sega Genesis Console, which will be available starting June 1st from Lego's online and physical stores. The set includes a total of 479 pieces, including 2 detachable controllers that are about 3 inches wide, a mock game cartridge featuring Sonic and Tails, and blocks to create a hidden Sonic portrait. Once assembled, the Lego Sega Genesis Console measures roughly 1.5 inches high, 6 inches wide, and 4.5 inches deep. Lego has released many gaming consoles over the last few years, and this Sega Genesis is just the latest addition to its ever-growing library, which includes the Lego Game Boy, which someone nodded to actually being playable, and the NES. Lego's also released a build kit for a standalone Sega Genesis controller a little while back, and that sold out pretty quickly. And now this console version is likely to go the same way, so set a reminder for June 1st if you're hoping to grab one. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.